Just let me write F or F naught, I'll write it. Okay, read it carefully. So something I should allow students to really to think. A source emitting a sound of frequency f naught is placed at a large distance from the observer. This observer, and what is the state of observer at rest? Next, what will happen? The source will accelerate from rest. It will accelerate from rest. This is what t equal to 0. Find the frequency heard by the observer corresponding to wave emitted just after the source starts. This is something. Just after source starts. So what is actually meaning of this? So something we have to understand. See, actually, what was the state of the source? It will accelerate from rest. Accelerates from rest here. So this source, what happened minimum, it has to generate a one wave, no? that particular source which is there, it has to generate a wave. Then the wave generated by it, what happened will be received by detector. To generate a wave, it need time. What is the time? So we know frequency is f naught. So what is the time period? T. What is that capital T? Time taken by the source to generate one wave. I agree this, there's a time period, no? In that interval of time, what will happen to source? So the source will accelerate. By the time one wave is generated, what happen? It will acquire some speed. So by the time a wave is generated, for your understanding purpose, I'm showing a little bit big. So this will take some time here, no? So the source what happened? By the time wave is generated, it will be here at this point. What is the time this? T. And what's happening to the speed of the source will be increasing in this interval of time. It was at rest. By the time a wave is generated, so what is this? The source open will be moving and will be generating. No, it's not that it will first generate and will move. It starts accelerating from rest and also starts generating. So by the time it generates one wave, it has covered some distance. It has covered some distance. Will I agree? This one, and it has acquired some speed. So now what will happen? What is the time taken for the source to generate one wave? It is what this capture. In that interval of time, it has acquired speed. Now the wave is generated. This wave will propagate at a frequency and will be earth. So there's a relative motion between source and detector. It will be generated frequency f. Now the same wave will be heard at some other frequency. Able to analyze this condition, because some time is needed for the wave to be generated. In that interval of time, the source will acquire certain speed. So that is what the Doppler formula we have to substitute here. So what is this Vs? Vs should be the average speed you have to take it. What is the average speed? 0 plus 80 by 2. average speed of source in interval of time t. Okay, got this one. So now okay, we'll write the Doppler effect formula. So what is f dash? F dash is equal to v f naught. Sorry, f naught. No, it is v f naught by v minus vs. What is vs? At by 2. Okay, this further vf naught v minus, this will be a by 2. What is t? T will be 1 by f naught. Now this 2 also should be there. So this is the apparent frequency heard by the detector corresponding to the wave generated just after the source starts. That is what. See, just after, I think you have to read this question. Corresponding to the wave emitted just after the corresponding to the wave, not after some time. So the detector will hear after some time only, but corresponding to which wave? The wave which is generated in one interval of time, in one time period, corresponding to that wave is asking the Doppler effect. The wave will take some time to propagate. We are. I think that is not the discussion here. The discussion is like, what is the speed of the source when it has generated a wave? Because to generate one wave, it needs some time. No, what is the time? Time period. Time taken by the source to generate a wave, or it is nothing but what? Time period. Corresponding to the first wave, the Doppler effect is being asked. Okay, we have other set of the numericals. So suppose say like this is the, we'll take some general questions related to Doppler effect. Now this is a block.